I've been playing for 15 hours, what do I do? I think I know now, I need Mr. Corn. Corn, wake up. Come on.
Who's at my door? What do you want? It's midnight.
I got an idea.
What is it?
Let's make a restaurant.
Fine.
First, let's get Melon. Melon, you up?
Who's at my door? What do you need? It's midnight.
Want to make a restaurant.
Can we do it tomorrow?
Number.
Fine, let's go.
You're going to be the cook.
You going to be kidding me?
Yawns.
Come on, do it faster.
Yes, I'm doing my best.
Here's everything we need.
Put it here. After a while of building. This is perfect.
I want to sleep.
Me too.
Is this a new restaurant? I am going to be the first customer. Hey waiter, can I get in fries?
Okay, sir. Can you make one fries?
One fry's coming right up.
Waiter, your fries is good.
Thanks, that will be $8.
After a day.
Mr. Apple, we're out of ingredients.
I have an idea.
What is it?
Let's make a farm. Want to work with us?
OFC.
You're going to bring the ingredients in the restaurant.
Okay, that's all.
Yes. See you later. The farm.